So this is one of the straighter styles of the synthetic wigs. If you choose to, you may want to straighten out some of the hair rather than have it rolling under, or vice versa. So we will go through with our wig iron and we will take a test sample through the back and check the heat tolerance of this fibre. We're going to take a small section, and we have the wig iron set to 90 degrees. So we'll go through and just check for any pulling or grabbing on the hair. So that's gone through really smoothly and it's very gently heated the hair. So it will be appropriate to straighten this wig with our wig iron. So we're going to spray the section down with a little bit of styling spray. Just a really light mist, which is going to help to give us extra shine into the hair. If you find that your synthetic wig is too heavy through the front and is falling forward, you can use your wig iron or your wig wand to bend the hair back off the face. So we'll put our brush in, and we're going to go really slowly with the wand, just bending it slightly as we're pulling it back, so we get a nice roll back off the face. And we're going to hold it there without letting it drop, so it takes on that nice shape. Give it a couple of seconds to cool down. And then that's dropped really nicely, and we'll give some nice face framing there. So if you're going to straighten, we're going to section the hair into a T-section. So straight along the part line, and then down from the crown down to the ear. Put that section away, and then down to the ear on the opposite side, and then we'll take a small section through the back near the nape area. You can see the difference that it makes on just a gentle heat by straightening out these ends. And you can do the same if you'd rather be rolling the ends in or flicking a fringe back away from the face. If you don't have a stand at home, you can style the wig by holding the head between your legs and running through gently with the irons. So we're starting at the back section with our wig iron on 90 degrees. We'll put the brush in so it keeps the hair all nice and smooth, and then follow through with your iron.